Welcome to our Come and Don't Come Bets guide. This video is part of the Craps Academy series by pro craps player and author Bill Collins. What is the come bet in craps? It's a contract bet placed after the point is established, marked come in the middle of the table. It cannot be removed until a decision is reached. Come and don't come bets are vig free bets that pay even money when they win. Adding odds to these bets reduces the house's advantage even further. To place a come bet, wait until the shooter establishes a point. Then, place your chips in the come area of the craps table. If the next roll is a 7 or 11, you win. If it's a 2, 3, or 12, you lose, just like the pass line bet. Any other number becomes your come point. Once your come point is established, you want that number to roll again before a 7 appears. If your come point hits, you win even money. If a 7 comes up before your come point, you lose. The don't come bet wins on 2 and 3, loses on 7 and 11, and ties on 12. Similar to the come bet, it travels to the rolled number. To win the bet, a 7 must roll before that number. Now let's talk about odds and payouts for come and don't come bets. Come bet odds are placed in the come area on top of your come bet. The odds pay more than even money. The payouts for come bet odds are as follows. For 6 and 8, 6 to 5 or $6 for every $5 bet. For 5 and 9, 3 to 2 or $3 for every $2 bet. And for 4 and 10, 2 to 1 or $2 for every $1 bet. Don't come bet odds are also placed in the come area and can be removed anytime before the bet is decided. The payouts for don't come bet odds are: for 6 and 8, 5 to 6 or $5 for every $6 bet. For 5 and 9, 2 to 3 or $2 for every $3 bet, and for 4 and 10, 1 to 2 or $1 for every $2 bet. One of the most popular betting strategies that use come bets or don't come bets is the 3-point molly, where a pass line bet is followed up with come bets on first and second rolls after a pass line point has been established. Unlike place bets, winning come bets and their odds are returned to you. Remember to replace bets by going through the come bet box to maintain 3 active bets. If you want to learn more about the 3-point molly strategy, check out our dedicated guide. Now, let's explore the don't come bet strategy, which focuses on dark side betting and winning when the 7 is rolled. The challenge in the don't come bet strategy is getting your new bets past the losing 7 and 11 on come out rolls. Consider making a small C and E hedge bet on come out rolls to protect your bets. Unlike come bets, don't come bets can all be won on the same roll when a 7 is rolled. The 3-point molly can be played using the don't pass line bet and don't come bets if you're a dark side bettor who enjoys winning money when the 7 rolls. Remember, you can make as many come bets and don't come bets as you like, even on every roll, to increase your chances of winning. Here are some pro tips to improve your chances of winning with the come bet. First, always remember that the house advantage for come bets is relatively low, just 1.41%. Second, consider adding odds behind your come bet to further reduce the house edge. That concludes our beginner's guide to the come bet in craps. We hope you found it helpful and wish you the best of luck at the craps table.